back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. Now, I know most of the job leads that I post are just for the United States. That is where my expertise is in the United States job market. However, I do occasionally come across jobs that are willing to hire worldwide, and that is what I have for you today. The links to all the pages that I'm sharing are directly linked in the YouTube description box below this video, and I do just ask that if you enjoy any job leads like this, give me that thumbs up like button. That does give me that direct feedback, and share with all your friends and family so we can all work from home, living our happiest, healthiest life. Today's job lead is from the company VidIQ. Now, VidIQ is a company that makes software specifically that helps YouTube creators. I have used this software myself before. They have 63 reviews on Glassdoor with a 4.9 out of 5-star rating. They are looking for a customer support specialist for those creators. This is 100% remote, and it does say they're hiring worldwide. Now, pay for this position is anywhere from $32,000 a year all the way up to $36,000 a year. But this is going to be a customer service job. You're going to play a crucial role in providing that support to the users of the VidIQ software platform, helping them succeed on the platform. So you're going to assist users with their inquiries, providing timely and accurate solutions. You'll offer guidance and support to users on how to utilize and use the tools in VidIQ software, different features and tools that are available to them. You're going to help identify and troubleshoot any technical issues that they're having, building those relationships with the users, making sure that they are completely satisfied with the service that they're getting. You'll also collect feedback from them about any different features or product developments. You'll share them with that team. Now, they are not requiring any kind of college degree, just that you have great communication skills, can be a problem solver, and you can provide that great customer support. They do want somebody who has knowledge of YouTube or other social media platforms. They say it is a plus if you have your own small YouTube channel, but that is not a requirement. You do need flexibility in the shifts that you work. Specifically, they're looking for somebody to work 12 a.m. to 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for, because I do read those and keep that in mind when I am searching for job leads to share. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like button, share with all your friends and family, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.